The best foods to build muscle include items high in protein and low in saturated fat. But don't leave out carbohydrates and fats. You'll want a balanced diet and a good exercise plan for best results. If your goal is to gain lean muscle, you should focus on exercising regularly and eating more calories each day from muscle-building foods. Eggs contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, and other important nutrients like B vitamins and choline. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Eggs contain large amounts of the amino acid leucine, which is particularly important for muscle gain. B vitamins are also critically important for a variety of processes in your body, including energy production. Salmon is a great choice for muscle building and overall health. Each 85-gram serving of salmon contains about 17 grams of protein, 1.5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, and several important B vitamins. Omega-3 fatty acids play an important role in muscular health and may even increase muscle gain during exercise programs. 3. Chicken breast. There's a good reason why chicken breasts are considered a staple for gaining muscle. They're packed with protein. Each 85-gram serving contains about 26 grams of high-quality protein. Chicken breasts also contain generous amounts of the B vitamins niacin and B6, which may be particularly important if you are active. These vitamins help your body function properly during the physical activity that's necessary for optimal muscle gain. What's more, some research has shown that higher protein diets containing chicken may aid in fat loss. 4. Greek yogurt. Dairy not only contains high-quality protein but also a mixture of fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. Some research has shown that people experience increases in lean mass when they consume a combination of fast and slow-digesting dairy proteins. But not all dairy is created equal. For example, Greek yogurt often contains approximately double the amount of protein as regular yogurt. While Greek yogurt is a good snack anytime, eating it after a workout or before bed may be beneficial due to its mixture of fast and slow-digesting proteins. 5. Tuna. In addition to 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, tuna contains high amounts of vitamin A and several B vitamins, including B12, niacin, and B6. These nutrients are important for optimal health, energy, and exercise performance. Additionally, tuna provides large amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, which may support muscle health. This may be particularly important for older adults. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids can slow the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with age. 6. Lean beef. Beef is packed with high-quality protein, B vitamins, minerals, and creatine. Some research has even shown that consuming lean red meat can increase the amount of lean mass gained with weight training. Even when you're trying to gain muscle, it may be best to choose beef that supports muscle gain without providing too many extra calories. However, the same amount of 95% lean ground beef contains slightly more protein, plus only 148 calories and 6 grams of fat. 7. Shrimp. Shrimp are almost pure protein. 85-gram serving contains 19 grams of protein, 1.44 gram of fat, and 1 gram of carbs. While healthy fats and carbs are important in your overall diet, adding some shrimp is an easy way to get muscle-building protein without too many additional calories. Like many other animal proteins, shrimp contains a high amount of the amino acid leucine, which is necessary for optimal muscle growth. 8. Soybeans. Half a cup 86 grams of cooked soybeans contains 16 grams of protein, healthy unsaturated fats, and several vitamins and minerals. Soybeans are a particularly good source of vitamin K, iron, and phosphorus. Iron is used to store and transport oxygen in your blood and muscles, and a deficiency can impair these functions. People who menstruate may be particularly at risk of iron deficiency due to blood loss during their 9. Cottage cheese. 1 cup 226 grams of low-fat cottage cheese packs 28 grams of protein, including a hearty dose of the important muscle-building amino acid leucine. Like other dairy products, cottage cheese can be purchased with varying fat contents. High-fat versions like creamed cottage cheese have more calories. Choosing which type of cottage cheese is best simply depends on how many extra calories you want to add to your diet. Regardless of which type you choose, it's a great muscle-building snack. 10. Turkey breast. 85-gram serving of turkey breast contains around 26 grams of protein and almost no fat or carbs. Turkey is also a good source of the B vitamin niacin, which helps process fats and carbohydrates in your body. Having optimal levels of B vitamins could help you gain muscle over time by supporting your body's ability to exercise. 11. Tilapia. Although it doesn't have as much omega-3 fatty acids as salmon, tilapia is another protein-packed seafood item. 87-gram fillet provides around 23 grams of protein, along with good amounts of vitamin B12 and selenium. Vitamin B12 is important for the health of your blood cells and nerves, which allows you to perform the exercise you need to gain muscle. 12. Beans. Many different types of beans can be part of a diet for lean muscle gain. Popular varieties such as black, pinto, and kidney beans contain around 15 grams of protein per cup of cooked beans. What's more, they are excellent sources of fiber and B vitamins, in addition to being high in magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. For these reasons, beans are a good source of plant-based protein to add to your diet.